Constipation, that feeling when we are not able to empty our bowels in the morning, spoils our mood, reduces the energy levels, and adversely affects our skin and hair. But not anymore. Foremost, we should be clear that constipation is not really a disease. Consider it more like a warning, a sign, an indication that your body is trying to give about the dryness and coldness within your colon, which is not allowing the stool to pass. If, however, ignored or not rooted from its cause, constipation can give rise to many other serious problems. Ayurveda is firm that over 95% of the diseases originate from the stomach. That is why Ayurvedic scriptures talk at length about constipation and how it can permanently be cured by tweaking our lifestyle, eating the right foods, and including certain herbal concoctions that rejuvenate the digestive tract, relieving from constipation. And that's what this video is all about. So stop depending on quick fixes and let's cure constipation permanently in 5 steps. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Upon waking up first thing in the morning, you should have copper charged water as it helps digestion. Needless to say that drying beverages like tea and coffee upon waking up should be out if you are serious about treating constipation. Also suffering from it, you should make it a point to drink this copper charged water warm. Put the jug as it is on the gas and heat it up. Then pour this water in glassware and have it in a squatting position. Yes, drinking water slowly in this position will automatically start building an urge to go. If however you are not able to squat, you can opt for drinking first water in the morning in standing position. After drinking water, if you are ready to go, don't wait. Else you can slowly walk around for 2 minutes, gently rubbing your stomach in a clockwise direction. Then go empty your bowels. Now your toilet seat makes a huge difference as to how easily you will be able to empty your bowels. It's a proven fact today that the closer we are to squatting, the more easily we can defecate. Of course, I understand that most of us have only Western style toilets at our home. So an effective hack is to sit on the Western seat like an Indian. Trust me, it's not as difficult as it may appear at once. However, if you are not comfortable, then keep a stool like this and this will also make the evacuation easy. Clenching the teeth while emptying bowels greatly helps. Try once. Alright, then get ready, and after 20 minutes of breakfast, you need to take 3 teaspoons of Abhyarest plus 3 teaspoons of Mamaearth with almost equal amounts of warm water. Abhyarest, as mentioned in the Ayurvedic text of Bhaishajya Ratnavali, is a carefully prepared concoction using over 15 herbs like haritaki, saunf and munakka that treats constipation from its very root. It is a powerful digestive tonic that pushes the movement in the intestines. Mamaearth, as mentioned in Yog Ratnagar, is prepared using aloe vera along with 15 other herbs. Its function is to lubricate the colon, push the toxins out and heal it. Both being fermented for days are light on the stomach and their combination is miraculously effective. So make sure you drink it slowly, sip by sip, feeling as your digestive tract is getting repaired within. In between breakfast and lunch comes the next step of this holistic routine, which is to have a glass of bale sharbat. If I had to suggest one fruit to treat digestive disorders, I would say wood apple or bale or bilva as it is commonly called. Ayurveda talks at length about its high medicinal value, which is why it is available all round the year in the form of either sharbat, candy or murabba. Bale with its antibacterial and antifungal properties acts as a cleanser for the intestines. Highly recommended in constipation, you should have 4 teaspoons of bale sharbat mixed in 200 ml of warm water once a day. It's tasty and effective. As touched upon before, constipation is your body's signal that your intestines have gone dry and cold. So the food you eat greatly impacts it. Foremost, you should strictly avoid eating raw vegetable salads due to their drying and cold properties. Even fruit should not be consumed post sunset. Ripe bananas, papaya, guava, grapes, pomegranates and soaked figs are the fruits best for you. For proper lubrication, make sure that you are adding 1 teaspoon of desi cow ghee to every meal. Asafoetida and ginger are highly beneficial spices for you. Don't forget to add them while making curries. Kidney beans, cabbage family plants and mushrooms should be avoided in constipation. Missing out on fiber is non-negotiable. Ditch the refined flours, breads and fiberless packaged foods that stick to the intestines. Instead, you should stick to wheat flour, semi-brown rice and millets. oats. Oats are specifically best for you. You can eat an oatmeal mixed with milk and jaggery powder for breakfast, or oats fried in ghee with vegetables. Avoid drinking chilled water. I would rather recommend you to drink warm water throughout the day. Milk products being lubricating should be a part of your daily diet, especially chas or lassi post lunch. Last but not the least, you should chew your food properly. No doubt it is important for anybody, but suffering from constipation, you cannot afford your stomach to do the work that is supposed to be done by your teeth. There are a few more things that help. Like what? Like these.
Can I be your superhero?
Alright, so in evening at about 5 p.m. it is time to execute step number 3, which is to have flaxseed tea. Flax seeds being oily and rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber are also a laxative. To make the tea, in a pan put around 300 ml of water, add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to it, let them boil for about 15 minutes, and once the water reduces to half, strain off the seeds. Chew the flax seeds along with the tea. Flax seeds have a nice nutty taste and the tea is invigorating for the digestive system. Then 20 minutes after dinner, again have 3 teaspoons of abhyarist and 3 teaspoons of kumariyasa with almost equal amount of warm water. Drink it slowly as it will also help in the digestion of your dinner. Then finally, the last step of this Ayurvedic holistic routine includes having 1 glass of warm milk boiled with a piece of ginger in it. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil to it. Castor oil being rich in ricinoleic acid, it forces the muscles of the intestines to contract and push out the stool. Ayurveda has always used it for laxative action, and today modern researchers are also in tune with it. Have the milk slowly warm just like you sip tea, and the benefit of it would be felt the next morning. Then sleep well. I'm sure you have noticed how after you have slept well, just after waking up you readily feel an urge to go. On the contrary, if you had compromised on sleep or wake up at irregular times, you simply don't get the urge. That's because the abdominal muscles contract and prepare for bowel movements during sleep. So sleep well and wake up the next day to have a satisfying spell in the washroom. Just to recap, in morning after waking up, drink warm copper charged water in squatting or standing position. Sit the Indian way to empty bowels or use a small table instead. Then 20 minutes after breakfast, have a combination of abhyarist and kumariyasa with equal amounts of warm water. In between breakfast and lunch, have a glass of bel sharbat. Eat foods that lubricate the colon well, avoid drying and cold foods. In evening, have flaxseed tea. Chew flax seeds along. Then again after dinner, have combination of abhyarist and kumariyasa. 30 minutes before sleeping, have warm milk with castor oil mixed in it and sleep well. So this was a holistic routine covering the concoctions that treat the root cause of constipation and lifestyle habits that help you get faster results. Follow this routine for 2 months and then stop. By then your problem should be properly resolved and just eating the right foods would be enough. Some of you will begin to see the results as fast as in 2 to 3 days. Once you see the situation normalizing, you can even skip the castor oil in milk and stick to the rest of the routine for 2 months. So follow it properly, and if you do so, our ancient texts guarantee that the problem of constipation will be history for you. Don't forget to come back and share the results in the comment section. All the products mentioned can easily be bought from any Ayurvedic shop, although for your convenience I have linked them down in the description box. Found this video helpful? If yes, and if you would like to see more such videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you are looking for a genuine toxin-free face wash, Mamaearth's Ubtan face wash is one good option in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will find that it has no sulfates, parabens, EDTAs or other harsh chemicals added in it. Rather, it is made from safe chemicals along with herbal extracts of turmeric, saffron and various skin-friendly essential oils. Mamaearth's this tan removal Ubtan face wash is suitable for all skin types and can be used by both men and women. Mamaearth's this product is dermatologically tested and is made in India. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 21% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.